Leg is here, arms do that. So it looks like this. Ah! Obviously, you get your head out of the way to avoid punches. The amateur way, if your arm is here, you're keeping your body stiff, there's no power. The power is here. Ah! That's power. That's a knockout kick. Here. The proper way to do a knockout hook kick and the improper way, the amateur way. So basically, don't want to kick the way Van Damme does in the movies. That's fake, guys. Okay, Van Damme is a red belt head level kicker at best. First, I'm gonna do it the professional way, the knockout way. Okay, it's not any different than a spinning kick. It's very similar. So basically, you guys want to put your arm into it and your hip into it. I've said this in other videos. Kicking, going with your arms in the same direction as the leg, or keeping your arm stiff in place is an equivalence of walking like this. You don't go around walking like you're marching, right? Your leg goes in the front, your arm goes back. That's it. This is what the professional kick looks like. I'm gonna do first slow, then I'm gonna go fast. Basically, you lift up your knee. Obviously, you get your head out of the way to avoid punches and counters. That's a first. You want your head out of the way with the kick. So your leg goes up, and as soon as you're stretching out with the kick, your head should be going back. So it looks like this. That's the first thing, head goes back. Second thing, you want to put your arm and your hips into it. So it's gonna look like this. Leg is here, the arms do that. So it looks like this. Ah! That's the amateur way is not moving this around. And it basically looks like this. Here. Here. You guys might have seen that Viking samurai do this. He actually believes you can knock people out with this. You cannot. Okay? You cannot knock people out with this. Another thing, doesn't matter if you're doing a crescent, if you're doing it here, the crescent as well, you can move your body this way. Okay? Even if it's a little bit. Like the way capoeira fighters do it. But to keep your body here, there's no power in that, guys. If your arm is here, you're keeping your body stiff, there's no power. The power is here. Ah! That's power. That's a knockout kick. This tip-tap shit, there's no power in it. So, you know, yeah, that's it for this video, I guess, guys. To the next video. Catch you later.